Once you are ready to start, you've got your code in hand that you received when you purchased the election guide and almanac. Simply go to mersnews.com and go to our reports menu. Just scroll down to election guide and almanac. You're going to see here's a picture of the book what it's going to look like when it's printed. Scroll down to the bottom. You're going to enter that access code that we've provided to you. Simply put in your name and your email. And hit submit. Once you have entered the code and you've hit return, it's going to bring you to this grid. This is the portal grid for the election guide and almanac online edition. Again, this also works on your phone or your iPad. You can click between the Michigan House races that are up this year and the U.S. House races that are up this year. The grid you can actually sort by district. You can also sort by last name. You can sort by whether the the candidate running is a challenger or incumbent. In this case, we are going to scroll down here. This status shows you whether the district itself has an incumbent, and as you can see in this case, the first district is open. U.S. Representative Benishek decided not to run, so that is an open district. Let's go over to the Michigan House. We'll look at some candidates. You can search by district number here. Just type in the district you want. Hit return. You can then sort the results by party. For example, you wanted to just look who's the Republican running in the 71st district. And you hit that, and you can see the incumbent is currently Tom Barrett. So let's bring up the district profile. We're going to show you the map of the district, kind of a larger grid. You can also download and look at the complete version, the official version of the district map. So that gives you the whole PDF, all the details of the district. Scroll down and the site gives you a geographic description. What are the cities, townships, local governments comprising the district? The demographics are taken from the last decennial census, so you can see what's the makeup of the district from a demographic basis. What is the party base based on the last election? And then you can see previous results. How did the voters in the 71st district vote in the state house race last time in 14 and 12, the governor's race in 14 and 10, the U.S. House races in 14, as well as the U.S. Senate race in 14, and then you can also look at how they voted in the presidential race, the last 2012 presidential race. So from here you can go to the candidates. Let's go to the challenger in this case, former Representative Teresa Abed. You can see we've got a description of her. We've got links to her social media sites. You can click directly to her website, and it'll just take you right there. So it's a great way to explore and learn about the candidates. Kind of going back to the grid, you can see this is just kind of a neat way to sort of sort the candidates and really learn about the individual districts. We also have loaded the districts we think are most likely to swing. So you click the toggle and hit search, and it's going to give you the districts that MERS thinks has a high these districts have a high probability of swinging this year from one party to the other. So we will be shortly adding our most vulnerable incumbent districts, which you'll be able to see just by clicking on that. In the coming months also, we will be adding information about Supreme Court candidates as well. So look forward to that. And we hope you enjoy this online edition of the MERS News Election Guide for 2016. And special thanks to our sponsor, AT&T, for underwriting the project.